Hello students, my English book 2, standard 2. Okay, now open the page number 1616. Okay, your 2.1, birds can fly. Okay, listen, sing and act. क्या है? Birds can fly. ओके आपको क्या करना है? सुनना है, बोलना है और वैसी एक्शन भी आपको करनी है. Now we are going to learn this interesting poem. Okay students. So birds can fly, birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Okay, frogs can jump, frogs can jump very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk, dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Horses can run, horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. Okay, this poem is very, very interesting. Now we will sing this poem once again. Birds can fly, birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump, frogs can jump very, very high, and I can jump too. Birds can fly, birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump, frogs can jump very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too. Okay, and here are some words. Look, listen, repeat and enact. Fly, fly. Jump, jump. Swim, swim. Walk, walk. Run, run. Hop, hop. Okay students, all the best. Please like and subscribe our channel, and you sing this poem. Okay, sing a song this poem and make audio and send it to me.